In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the seat cover. What do you need? A screwdriver, a spudger, a container to put the screws in, micro screwdriver, spatula, thermal paste, wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, and a metal cleaner spray. The first step is to take out all the screws. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Disconnect the cables from the battery and the CMOS. Take out the screws that hold the heatsink in place. Carefully lift up the heatsink and disconnect the cables. Take out the battery. Push out the keyboard and then remove it as shown. Disconnect the FFC cables. Now it is time to disconnect all the cables from the motherboard. Take out the screws as shown. You can gently lift the motherboard. It is now time to take out every component as shown. Loosen the screws that hold the hinges in place. Bring up the hinges. Now it is time to separate the seat cover and the screen display. Take the new seat cover and install it the same way as you took the old one out. Pay close attention when putting back the screws, they have to go in these two holes. Install all the components back the same way as you took them out. Install the new daughterboard. Place back the motherboard. Do this the same way you took out the old one. While doing this, be careful not to leave any cables under the motherboard. After you have the motherboard back in place properly, put back the screws. Reconnect all the cables to the motherboard. Place back the battery. It is now time to clean the CPU. To do this, we first use a plastic spatula. Then use a wet wipe. Now spray some metal cleaner on a microfiber cloth and clean the last bit. Repeat the previous steps for the heatsink. Put a little thermal paste on the spatula and spread it evenly over the CPU. Make sure the whole CPU is covered. Place back the heatsink. Put back the screws. Reconnect the FFC cables. Put something soft on the touchpad so that the casing is protected from being damaged. Then get the keyboard and reinstall it. Make sure that it fits properly. Reconnect all the cables. Install the new D cover. Make sure that the bottom case fits properly. The final step is to put back all the screws. Pay close attention when putting back the screws that hold the hinges, because they are larger than the other screws.